spate of drone sightings over the U.S. allies' military bases sparks mystery. Multiple sightings of drones have been reported over multiple U.S. military bases in the UK, and nobody seems to know who is behind the unmanned flights. Small drones have been spotted in and around Royal Air Force Lakenheath, RAF Middlehall, RAF Feltworth, and RAF Fairford since February 20th, and U.S. Air Forces in Europe said in a press release, although the bases have RAF names, they all have significant U.S. military presence. These bases span across Suffolk, RAF Lakenheath, RAF Mildenhall, and Norfolk, RAF Feltwell, and east of England, and Gloucestershire, RAF Fairford in the west. The number of systems has fluctuated, and they have ranged in sizes and configurations. Our units continue to monitor the airspace and are working with host nation authorities and mission partners to ensure the safety of base personnel, facilities, and assets, the U.S. Air Force said. To safeguard operational security, we do not discuss specific force protection measures. However, we retain the right to protect our installations, it said. Around 60 British Royal Air Force personnel have been sent to help, the BBC reports. We're supporting the US Air Force response, said UK Defence Ministry. The US Air Force has asked the people living in the area of military bases contact their local police or security forces if they see anything suspicious, to include drone activity. The UK bases affected serve several different types of aircraft, including F-35, F-15E, KC-135, and RC-135, according to Air and Space Forces magazine. Newsweek has contacted the U.S. Department of Defense for comment. Around 2 weeks ago, Congress held a hearing on unidentified anomalous phenomena, what we call UFOs, exposing the truth. Author Louis Elizondo, former senior intelligence official and counterintelligence special agent who helps the government investigate UAP incursions into sensitive military installations and airspace, testified on November 13. And he said, let me be clear, UAP, that means UFOs, are real. Advanced technologies not made by our government or any other government are monitoring sensitive military installations around the globe. Furthermore, the U.S. is in possession of UAP technologies, as are some of our adversaries. And he added, I believe we are in the midst of a multi-decade secretive arms race, one funded by misallocating taxpayer dollars and hidden from our elected representatives and oversight bodies, he said. This is from Newsweek on DNYUZ. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.